Just wanted to show you my 15 round mag I made. I'll show you in another video how I did it. If you want to see, there's 15 balls in there. I'm not going to load it in the video, but you can see there's 15 of them. I'll be shooting them out of my tipx. See it upside down. Backside the GoPro clip. So here it goes. Charge it up first. It's charged. Safety back on. 15 round clip. There you go, I emptied it. No paintballs left. 15 rounds. No problem at all. No tape, no screws. Actually, yeah, there is one screw, but I added it through here. A little connection piece. I just dremelled it all out.